again. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math with Teens. So our topic for today is all about solving problems involving quadratic equations, part 2. Problems involving quadratic equations. So this example number 3. A rectangular garden has an area of 84 square meter and a perimeter of 38 meters. Find its length and width. So to find out, we will write this given into a mathematical sentence. So just like I said in our first video, the measure of the perimeter, so get the half of 38. You will use that as sum. So this is your sum, 19. 19 from 38. So 38 divided by 2 is 19. And our product is 84. You are going to write that on the last term. So that our quadratic equation is x squared minus 19x plus 84 is equal to 0. Then let us factor this. So the factors are x minus 12 times the quantity of x minus 7 is equal to 0. Because when we going to multiply this, the result is x squared minus 19x plus 84 is equal to 0. Then after that, let us write into a zero product property. So we have x minus 12 is equal to 0 and x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 12, yes, and x minus 7 equals 0 is x is equal to 7. So that our length is 12 meters and our width is 7 meters. That is our answer for the first number. That is number 3. 12 meters for the length and 7 meters for the width. Okay, number 4. The length of a rectangular parking lot is 36 meters longer than its width. The area of the parking lot is 5,152 square meters. What is the length of the parking lot? How about its width? So you are going to get the equation. So the first, our width is x. Our length is x plus 36 because it is said that the length of the parking lot is 36 meters longer than its width. Mas mahaba ng 36 meters ang length kesa sa width. So that our equation, x for the width, x plus 36 for the length is equal to the area of 5,152. Then x times x is x squared plus x times 36 is 36x minus, because you have to transpose, become 5,152 is equal to 0. Then let us factor this. So the factors are x minus 56 times the quantity of x minus 92 is equal to 0. So when we compute this one, when we subtract, the result is 36. So it's longer than 36. So now let us use the zero product property. X minus 56 is equal to 0. And the other one is x minus 92 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 56 and the other one is x is equal to 92. So our length is 92 meters and the width is 56 meters. Meaning, 56 meters is the width, so 92 meters is the length. So the length is 36 meters longer than its width. When we subtract that, you got 36. Okay guys, did you understand the fourth example? Okay, number 5, for the fifth example, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 86 meters and its area is 450 meters squared. What are the dimensions of the swimming pool? Again, perimeter. So what is the perimeter? 86. Get the half of 86 and that is 43. So we have product 450. Okay, our equation now is x squared minus 43x plus 450 is equal to 0. What are the factors? The factors are the quantity of x minus 25 times the quantity x minus 18 is equal to 0. Then, zero product property. X minus 25 is equal to 0. So become x is equal to positive 25. The other one, x minus 18 is equal to 0, so that x is equal to 18. So the dimension of the swimming pool are 25 meters by 18 meters. Okay, so that's the fifth example. Okay, number 6 example. So this is not the rectangular, or this is not the measure or the length, but it is about work. That is a work problem. Okay, it takes Mary 3 hours more than to do a job than it takes Jane. If they work together, they can finish the same job in 2 hours. How long will it take Mary to finish the job alone? Okay, again, it is said, Mary, 3 hours more than to do a job than it takes Jane. So, kung nag-work daw si Jane, mas mahaba ng 3 hours si Mary. So, meaning, matagal mag-work si Mary. So, if they work together, so they can finish the same job in 2 hours. So, kapag nagtulong silang dalawa, 2 hours lang ang nako-consume nila. So, how long will it take Mary to finish the job alone? So, ilang oras ginagawa ni Mary yon? Because, more than 3 hours ang haba ng oras niya kaysa kay Jane. So, first, let's represent Jane as x. No? Then, Mary is more than 3 hours. So, we have x plus 3. Then, we are going to write into equation. So, we have 1 over x plus 3 for Mary, plus 1 over x for Jane. And where do we get 1 over 2? 1 over 2 is the working together. So, working together is 1 over 2. Okay. So, the LCD of x plus 3, x and 2, so they are getting this 3. So, 2 times x plus 3, then multiply for the 3 terms. 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x is equal to 1 half. Okay. So again, we will represent Jane as x, Mary as x plus 3. So we're going to multiply this factor, this LCD, to the 3 terms. So, if you know how to get the numerator, so if you want multiply, then divide, or divide, multiply. So, I will use divide first into the denominator, then multiply into the numerator like this. 2x times x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. So, cancel ang x plus 3. Ang matitira natin is 2x. So, this is 2x, no? 2x times x plus 3 divided by x. So, cancel ang x. So, matitira si 2x plus 6 times 1 is 2x plus 6. So, this is 2x plus 6. Equals 2x times x plus 3 divided by 2. Cancel yung 2. Matitira si x squared plus 3x. So, ito yun. X squared plus 3x. Then, we're going to transform into standard. So, we have x squared copy plus 3x copy. 2x plus 2x is positive 4x. When we transpose, become negative 4x. And then, positive 6 become negative 6 is equal to 0. So, we have x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So, the factors are x minus 3 times the quantity of x plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 3 become x is equal to positive 3. And x plus 2 is equal to x is equal to negative 2. So, we are going to get the positive 1, 3. Okay. So, when we get x is equal to 3, so meaning Jane consumed 3 hours. And more than 3 hours si Mary, so that 3 plus 3, we have 6 hours. Meaning, so Mary do a job for 6 hours and Jane do a job for 3 hours. Then when they are working together, they consume only 2 hours. End of our topic for today. So, I hope you will learn about solving quadratic equation. Problem solving involving quadratic equation rather. So, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless.